My name's Morgan McCall, and today I'm doing Lab 7, Food Additives with apples. So I'm about to grab the apple out of the fridge and slice it up into 6 equal parts. I've already got my mixtures, the sugar mixture, the salt mixture, lemon juice, and then I haven't put a Sprite in, but it's out there. So I'm just going to cut up the apple real quick. 1 sec. Let's pray I don't cut my fingers off. There's 4. And 6. Okay, so this one is going to be my control. So I'm going to see if you can see it. I have pieces of tinfoil all set out, and they're all labeled with which one goes where. So my control is just going to be right there. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to dip. This one probably needs to be a little more even. That looks better. Yeah, okay. So this one is going to be my lemon juice mixture. So I'm going to dip it in there. Okay. Can't soak it. I'm going to put it right where the lemon is designated for. This one can be my salt mixture. Let me move this so you can see that I'm dipping it. Salt is right here. Okay. Salt. This one can be sugar. Let me fix this. There, and then I'm about to open this Sprite. And this one is going to be Sprite. It's fizzing a whole lot. Okay. Soda, and then this one is just going to go in this Ziploc bag. I'm going to make it airtight, or as airtight as I can get it. Okay, and there's all 6 apples right there, and I'll make another video for each time interval. So it's been 10 minutes, and there's a little bit of change in the apples. So the ones that are dipped, it's going to be hard for you to see this because of the lighting and everything, but this is the control. Like, there's nothing on it, and it's the most discolored out of all of them. It's turning a yellowish brown in the center, going out. The ones with salt and lemon so far have the least change. Soda has a little bit of change. It's kind of yellow in the center, or a yellowish brown, I guess. The sugar, it really doesn't have that much of a change either, the more you look at it. And then the one in the bag, it's starting to turn brown in the middle too. So that's the 10-minute mark. I would probably, I don't know if I'd eat any of these right now, considering what they've been dipped in. But that may just be me. I don't know. And then the control and the one in the baggie, they just don't look appetizing. So that's 10 minutes, and I'll make another video for 30 minutes. So there's that. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now, and the apples are definitely changing. The control apple looks pretty disgusting in this. It looks more brown in real life compared to on the camera, but yeah, pretty brown, whatever. The one in sugar is just kind of turning yellow, nothing too bad. The salt Yeah, nothing's really happening. Kind of yellow like the sugar one. Nothing bad. The lemon still looks normal. Still looks like the apple when I cut it. The soda is starting to turn brown. Like there, if you can see it. And then the one in the bag looks about like the control. It's pretty gross. I'll hold up the control compared to the lemon and let you see the difference. So here's the control, here's the lemon. They look totally different. So there's that. And I'll make another video at an hour, so there you have it. Okay, so it's been an hour, and I'll show you what's going on. Here is the control. It's more brown and yellow than it was the last time at the 30-minute mark. The sugar, it's really just turning like yellow. I don't see any brown on it really. Just like a yellow tint. The salt, same thing's happening with the salt that happened with the sugar, just a little yellow. The lemon still looks like I just sliced it. And I'll hold that up to the control too. If I can figure out how to hold it. There. Yeah, like this one just looks so much better than this. Here's the soda. It's just like a dull color now. It's not as bright as it was when I first sliced it. And then the one in the bag looks about like the control. It's just brown. Doesn't look very tasty. So I will do another video at 24 hours, which will be tomorrow. So there's that. Okay, so it's been 24 hours since we last checked the apples with the preservatives on them. And I just pulled them out of the refrigerator, set them back on the stove like I had them yesterday. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like. So the one with, actually I'm just going to go ahead and say on all of them, the peeling of the apple, it's kind of starting to shrivel up and curve over onto the actual like fruit part of it. I'll show it to you in a second, but the sugar one is kind of yellow, kind of brown. It's basically drying out. The peeling is drying out and curving. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can tell in the video. Kind of curving, just shriveling up. So there's the sugar. This is the salt. One side of it looks just kind of yellow. The other side is brown and has kind of like a goopy looking substance on it. I'm not sure. Guess it's just the reaction of the salt on there. The soda is kind of brown, kind of yellow, still drying out. The lemon literally looks like I just cut it, like still looks fresh. I mean, the peeling is kind of drying out, but the actual apple part itself still looks fresh. The one in the baggie looks pretty gross. Brown and yellow. Just not appetizing looking. And then the control, it looks pretty gross too. Pretty brown. Drying out. I wouldn't eat it for sure. So there's the apples at 24 hours. And I'm going to go ahead and do the table for what they look like, if I'd eat it or not after 24 hours. So there you go.